Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I have a fly in my room. For those of you who are new, my name is Donna, and for those of you who are not, you've been around, so you know that. Thank you all so much for joining me, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am doing my IPSY Unbagging. I'm super excited to be doing this today. This is a subscription service for those of you who don't know anything about IPSY. This is a subscription service that comes to your house every single month. It is $10 and you get 5 deluxe sample size to sample size products. Sometimes there's a full size in there. A couple months ago I did get 5 full size items, which I was super excited about, and a makeup bag. You get all this for $10 per month, and this is actually a subscription service that I think I will be canceling. I just joined FabFitFun, and I also have a BoxyCharm subscription. You guys, I'll link those videos up here. I prefer those to this mostly because I don't really use the bags ever, and so I don't need the bags. And as far as the sample size items go, like, there's not a lot that comes in here sample size that I find myself grabbing for. They're pretty typically brands that I've never heard of before. Sometimes you do get brands that you have heard of before, but most of the time it's brands that I've not ever heard of, or drugstore options like Pacifica and stuff like that. Which, don't get me wrong, Pacifica is a very good brand. I do like it. I've gotten a couple Milani items from here and a couple Essence items. There are some great drugstore brands that are in these bags, but these just aren't products that I reach for very much. And if I was to choose subscription service to belong to, it would be IPSY. I'm not IPSY, it would be BoxyCharm. So with that being said, let's just jump right into this bag. I do enjoy IPSY. I will have to do some pretty deep soul searching to figure out whether I actually want to keep this bag or not. I just find myself in this place where I'm less and less satisfied with the stuff that comes in this bag, so why keep it? So the first thing I feel is actually outside of the bag, and it is some face masks. So almost every single face mask I have, and I'll link my face mask collection video up here, almost every single face mask I have received from this subscription service. So that will be the one thing that I will regret not having anymore if I do cancel this subscription service. But with that being said, I have a ton of face masks, and I just never use them. So when I do use them, I'm very grateful for IPSY for them. But this is a unicorn chocolate facial mask with chocolate, mulberry, and honey, which sounds very interesting. It is paraben-free, gluten-free, no GMOs. It is made by BioBell, which is a fantastic face mask company. It is hashtag unicorn glow. So vegan, cruelty-free, anti-pollution, perfect radiance. I am really interested in this mask. Chocolate, mulberry, and honey. That sounds super good. So I really kind of dig this little ice cream thing here with the unicorn's head hanging out there and what looks like Lucky Charms and ice cream. There are 2 face masks in here, so I'm super excited when I do receive 2 face masks in my IPSY, because that means I've got 6 items in my bag. The next thing I pull out of here is this bag. I am not super taken away by this bag. It is a little bit bigger than last month's bag, which is exciting. It is just really plasticky feeling. It's got 3 different colors. I think there was a bag option this month. I think it was this one or a red one. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's just plain blue on the back, this color here on the back, and then darker blue and lighter blue on the front. The zipper pull is just very basic heart, says IPSY on both sides, and then you open up the bag and the products are inside. It is blue also on the inside. Not super taken away by the bag, but again, I am not a makeup bag user, so it's not unheard of for me not to get all, you know, spun up about a bag. So this is the card from IPSY. It does say Flying Colors on it. It is June 2018, and I love the rainbow on it. I would have to say that that is because this is Pride Month, which I am also super excited about. I wanted to take part in, so I work for Starbucks, and we do a lot of volunteering at these kind of events, or any kind of event, and our Pride here in this area was over the weekend while I was gone on vacation, so I didn't get to volunteer for it. But I have to imagine that that is why our card is like this month with the rainbow. It does, and it is. It says, at IPSY, Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality, which it should be for everybody. Those that don't understand Pride should really look into it a little bit further. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to be completely themselves without fear of judgment. That's why we're highlighting 7 LGBTQ+ creators who know that what makes them different is also what makes them beautiful. So this is some creators on here that help us celebrate Pride Month with within the LGBTQ+ community. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is this IPSY Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner, which is interesting. I do not have a toner. It's sealed, but this is what it looks like. I am super excited to get this. The last thing I got from IPSY was kind of like a blush highlight combo from them, and it wasn't amazing, I have to be honest. But I've heard great things about IPSY, so it's weird to me that I didn't really like it. It is a drugstore option. It is a higher price drugstore option, though. It says gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types. Alcohol-free, dermatologically tested. Use AM and PM or as needed. After cleansing, apply with a cotton pad. Avoid eye area. I'm really excited to try this. I don't have a toner. I don't know necessarily that I believe in toners, but I could be scolded for that thought process, so I'm going to try it. So the next thing I see in here is this Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base Hydrating Primer. So this is a Makeup Forever primer. I do love primers. I love getting primers. This is just super small and probably will go into a drawer, into my sample drawer. I really need to start a sample series because I have a lot of samples, and if I continue with IPSY, I'm going to have more samples. I really dig that I got something Makeup Forever in here. This is a higher end brand, and that is exciting to me. I have never tried anything from Makeup Forever, so I'm excited to try this. That actually might end up on the top of my vanity so that I remember to use it. The next thing I got in here looks like a full-size item. It is by Estate, which I've never heard of, and it is lip icing. So it's some kind of lip product in the shade Goody. I kind of dig this packaging. This packaging is really pretty, just a really pretty pink color. And you open it up. Ooh, this is really pretty. So this is, I guess, like a lip topper, kind of like what we're seeing now from Fenty. This just looks like a topper. It's a super shimmery pink. Let's put some of those on here and swatch that bad boy. So this is what it looks like. Very sheer, but very like shimmery. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I am not mad at that. That's really pretty. Let's put some on. It smells really good too. It's really sheer, but not bad. I dig it. It's very pretty. I will wear it as a topper. It is pretty. And that is full size, it appears to be. The face masks were also full size. So the last thing I'm seeing in here is a Luxie brush. So I'm really excited to get this Luxie brush. I think I talked about it in my BoxyCharm unboxing because my BoxyCharm also came with some Luxie brushes. Luxie brushes are pretty phenomenal, but they are also pretty expensive. They're not like expensive like IPSY brushes or, you know, even Urban Decay brushes I find are a little more expensive per brush, or IT Cosmetics brushes are also pretty expensive per brush. Luxie brushes aren't like to that level, but they are pretty expensive brushes. So this is an eye brush. It is the small shader brush by Luxie, and this is what it looks like. It is a very thin, small shader brush. I am really excited about this brush. I love little tiny shader brushes for delicate application or even precision application. I love Luxie brushes because they are really soft. Even if they are more densely packed brushes, they're really soft brushes. Luxie is probably my favorite brush that I've received in a subscription box. And if I stop receiving IPSY, if I decide to cancel it, it will be one of those things that I am sad to see go, because I probably won't. I think I've only seen Luxie brushes come in boxy once, and that is this month. Otherwise, I have gotten some like Moda brushes in there, and I've also gotten some like Aesthetica brushes in there, but for the most part it's not Luxie brushes in there, which makes me sad. So this was my IPSY unbagging for the month of June. I hope that you guys did love this unbagging. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'm not mad at this bag. I really do like this bag. If I was to cancel IPSY, it's not because I'm mad at the bags. I do get some pretty decent stuff in IPSY, but it's because I have too many subscriptions going on right now. I just need to get rid of one of my subscription services, and IPSY seemed like the one to get rid of because it is mostly sample size items, which I don't use very often. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, I was taking off my flip-flops. My feet are killing me. I am gonna rip off this makeup right now. Well, not rip it off, but, you know, get rid of the makeup right now and go jump in my pool. It's rather hot out here today, and I just have the makeup on because I did a get ready with me, and I'm sure that you guys know that because I am in the same clothes I have been in the last 3 videos, and I am in this crappy tank top with a full face makeup, which is funny. I decided that my hair was driving me nuts, which is why I put it in this headband. I am so eternally grateful that you guys decided to spend some moments of your day with me today. I know that you don't have to, but you choose to, and that just warms my heart so much. You guys just don't know. And I hope that you'll want to subscribe to my channel on your way out of here. I do post 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Sunday, depending on how my week is going at work, at my real life job. Last week was a little bit scattered because I was on vacation. I thought I had pre-filmed and pre-uploaded enough to get me through until I got back home and could record, and I was wrong. So you got videos on Friday and Sunday because I didn't have I didn't have a video going up on Wednesday. But most weeks is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Some weeks are Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday, but you're definitely getting content from me 3 times a week. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. As I said, please subscribe on your way out. I do love watching this YouTube family grow. I do enjoy your guys' comments. Let me know what you got in your IPSY, what you're mad at, what you're not mad at, whether you think I should cancel or not. Let me know that. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A soon on my channel. I hope that you guys will want to put questions down in the comments section for me to answer on my Q&A sometime in the near future. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching me. Bye.